May accountant ka nga, but do you really know what's happening sa business mo? Maraming business owners, akala nila okay na basta may accountant, may taga-file ka ng return sa BIR, okay na yun. Pero hindi lang yun yung silbi sa'yo dapat ng isang accountant. Accountants are supposed to give you reports and help you understand them. Kung wala kang regular, clear, and useful reports, parang nagbabayad ka ng doktor na susulatan ka lang ng reseta pero di man lang sasabihin na may cancer ka na pala. Tandaan, your business is generating precious loads of financial data, and your accountant is supposed to be communicating that information to you. Here's the thing, with cloud-based automation tools, hindi ka na maghihintay ng ilang buwan bago mo makuha yung reports na kailangan mo. You get it real-time, accurate, at kahit nasang lugar ka pa. Bakit? Kasi may access ka sa sarili mong data, pati sa reports mo, templated na. So ask yourself, are you really getting the reports that matter or are you just paying for compliance? Accounting is more than that, and this is the right time to make the most out of it. This is the power of accounting automation. If you're interested to know more, send us a message. Laging tandaan, basta accounting, i-automate na yan.